woke up feeling happy. We are at India Gate. Good morning, guys. Today, I don't know, I just woke up feeling happy, and now I am on my way to my college. I think van has still not arrived, so yeah, I'm gonna go down and wait for the van. Our hostel has been decorated for the Diwali. It's not much, but still. Hi guys, it's me Omo doing voiceover because as you know I feel shy to talk in the public, and this is my college bus and this is how my everyday life is going on. Everyday routine, going to the class.
So guys, this day was the High Court visiting day, and it was our first time to visit the High Court. And during the High Court visiting day, I was so sleepy that day, and we were going to Delhi to visit the High Court, and also I got no friends to talk to. That's why I was feeling so sleepy. And yeah, we reached at the High Court, and we were not allowed to film anything from the High Court, but I tried to click some of the clips from High Court. And also I met some of new friends, and we were at the canteen to drink some coffee.
We're at the canteen drinking coffee. Hi. Yeah, I know. Okay. Sure. We're going back. This is what we've been provided to eat. What we are eating? Samosa. Okay. We just reached our college and now I'm going back at the PG. So yeah, I'm waiting for my friend because he's gonna drop me to my PG. I just met a new friend. I'm on my way to the clinic. It's so traffic. I just had my second session of chemical peel, and now I'm outside my clinic. Now it's too late for the treatment. I came here at like 8 something, and then the store was about to close, but they waited for me. Yeah, now I'm waiting for my cab. Now I'll go to my friend's place. Maybe I'll stay there for a night because I don't think I'm gonna go back to the PG, because if I'll go back to the PG it's gonna be too late and my PG is gonna be closed. So I'm gonna go to my friend's place. Yeah. Also I couldn't film much today because I was in so much of hurry. Yeah, that's why I didn't film. And this is my new prescription. The doctor have prescribed me new medicines because the redness of my skin is like not fading away. That's why she has prescribed me like new medicines. So I'm gonna try it, and if it's not gonna get better, again I'm gonna have to do the like third session of this chemical treatment. Okay, so cold. Feeling so lonely, missing my friend. Because last time I visited a doctor with my friend, and now today I am alone. So kind of missing my friend, but that's okay, right? I have to do my things in my friend's place. I think she is coming to pick me up. Just gonna wait here. Finally at the right location. Thank you. ये इंसान जो हम भी तो डेड लग रहे हो, तुम भी डेड लग रहे हो। और जो पूरा भूख लग रहा है मुझे, so I'm gonna eat momo. कैसा है? क्या लग रहा है? I couldn't complete the momo because the momo was like more tasted so bad. I couldn't complete the momo. Yeah. Also the chutney was so smelly. That's why I couldn't complete the momo. So I didn't eat the momo. And I bought some chips to eat because I am so hungry. I only had my breakfast and after that I didn't eat anything. So yeah, I'm feeling so hungry. Hi guys, we are at India Gate. I'm looking so cute. That's the India Gate and my phone is about to die. Hi Anjali. Guys, welcome back to Omo Tatung channel. India Gate. Having fun. I am going out with one of my seniors because CM asked me to go out with her. So yeah, I just got ready and yeah. First I'm gonna eat my lunch, then after I'm gonna head out. Yes. स्प्राइट वो जो स्प्राइट होता है आपको वो डाल दिया, क्या रहता है, एक लेमन डाल दिया। वो थोड़ा सा इधर बहुत पानी मिक्स कर दिया लगता है।
यहाँ भी पानी मिल दिया, हमको लगता है बहुत पानी है।
Weather is so fine. I'm at the nail extension salon. I'm gonna do the eyelash extension and I'm excited.
और जो आप बोल रहे थे ना पहला वाला बड़ा वाला वो ज्यादा बड़ा वो बोल रहा था। सॉरी मैं आपको रुला।
देखो रो रहा। हाँ हो गया।
कैसे है ओमो लाफिंग?
ये स्पाइसी है।
हाँ स्पाइसी डाल दिया ना.
अच्छा है, टेस्टी है
ओके.
और बहुत स्पाइसी है। Oh my God.
चलो मोमोज को ट्राई करते हैं.
लो, क्या से लो, ये चम्मच से ट्राई करो ये। सॉस चाहिए? मेरे मुंह इतना फुल हो गया।
चलो मोमो ट्राई करो ना.
I'm done. Done? ये नहीं खाऊंगा, नहीं खा सकेगा।
और स्पाइसी डाल दिया.
स्पाइसी तो बात है, मेरा पेट है फुल है। I'm gonna buy something now. हो जाएगा।